How to use One4all Gift Card on Asos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will see how can we use our One4all Gift Card on Asos. It is a simple process, so let's dive in. To get started with, we will need to convert our Asos gift card into One4all Gift Card. For this, we have to head over to One4all website and navigate to the section where we can convert our card. You are most likely to be using the One for All gift card option that you can easily purchase using your ASOS balance. First of all, you need to enter the amount of money that your card holds and the quantity of the card that you wish to convert. After entering the required details, tap on the Add to Cart option, which is on the top right. Once that is done, go ahead and proceed to checkout. Here you will need to enter your email address and shipping address. Complete the details required to finalize the purchase. Then you'll receive your One for All gift card, which you can use to make purchases on ASOS. If you encounter any of the issue, you can check out help and support section or information portal of ASOS website. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.